Honestly, this ain't even a normal face, so should y'all get a normal intro? Like, think about it. Come on, baby. Already. If you like the look, like, comment, and subscribe. That's it. New Instagram, again, not gonna get into it. This is it. Same as my TikTok. Hopefully my TikTok brought you here. I don't know, but this is TikTok and Instagram name. Yeah, so shout out to me trying something new, trying something extra, trying something extravagant. Yeah, YouTube, like, you don't gotta watch the whole thing, but y'all already know the drill. I'm gonna try to make this as simple a voiceover as possible. But otherwise, and then y'all just jamming with me. Like, I kind of don't think that nothing else needs further explanation. Kind of just like get into this look was mainly because I had to think of something to do because I finally got my MYO makeup glitters. Like, look at that. Like, they're actually amazing. You know, just stick around. And I love you guys. I will catch you guys on the flippity flip, and stay blessed, all that there, and we'll get into the video. Bye. Okay, so to start with the base of my eyeshadow, we're going in with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer in Cool Ivory by Maybelline, and also, you know, I can't forget my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. And then we're just gonna blend that out, obviously.
The driver seat, the first one to get killed. Seen a light-skinned nigga with his brains blown out at the same burger stand with the same gout. Now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since the day I was looking at him different. That was back when I was 9. Joey packed a 9, like a stand on every punch is fine. We adapt the bomb, like a van with 4 guns at a time with the sliding door.
And now to get into the fave Lisa Frank and Morphe palette. Just want to tell you guys all the colors I used right now because I don't feel like going back in this crease, which we're lifting up at the end a little bit. We're using Lollipop. Now to blend out Lollipop, we're going to go in with Puppy Love. To blend everything out up into the eyebrows, we use the shade Elephant John. What I will say about this technique is just make sure that you're blending. Like, I know that it's been a while since I voiced over or talked through anything, but don't forget to blend for your life. Like, please, like, that will just help everything go by so smooth, as if like you're not afraid to blend. Now, as I have like taken off the concealer that was on my eyelid, you want to do that as to not cake on concealer. I'm now like making the base for the actual cut crease part. I go above first, like forming the cut crease, pulling my brush down slightly. It's okay if it's totally not perfect. Like, we're not a professional here. Like, I still consider myself just as much a beginner as anybody. For real, for real. So, if you mess up, it's cool. Just make sure it's probably like right above your crease so that obviously when your eyes are open, we can still see the crease. Make sure you don't get it too low, but also make sure you don't get it too high.
If you ain't walking up, you fucking punk. Picking up the fucking pump. Picking up, you sucker, dick or die, you sucker bunch of water bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what mama said when we was eating every lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in 94. Fuck your truce. Now crawl your head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no peace treaty, just peace and BG's up to pre-approved. Bodies on top of bodies, IVs on top of IVs. Obviously the coroner between the sheets like the Osleys. When you hop on that trolley, make sure your color's correct. Make sure you're corporate or they'll be calling your mother Colette. They say the governor collect.
Now, of course, we got to put an actual shade. So what we're going to do is go back in with Elephant John. That's what I used on the lid under the MYO makeup glitter. Which I really think was the perfect color for that glitter. Like, honestly, I was just like, clearly it's Freestyle Friday. I was freestyling this look, but that's like the perfect base for this glitter, for real. Okay, so right about here, I'm learning that these glitters are literally just glitters. Like, there's no pigment to them. For real. So what I had to do was I took like a dab of my lash glue on the back of my hand and patted it on top of Elephant John, and yeah, that you'll see it made it appear better.
Brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. This is not a rap while I'm slinging crack or moon cocaine. This is cul-de-sac and plenty cognac and major pain. Not the drill sergeant, but the stress that weighing on your brain. It was me, El Boogie, Gang, YG Lucky. Ride down Rosecrans, it got ugly. Waving your hand out the window, check yourself. Warriors and Conans, hope euphoria can slow dance with society. The driver seat, the first one to get killed. Seen a light-skinned nigga with his brains blown out. At the same burger stand with the same gout. Now this is not a tape recorder saying that he did it, but ever since that day I was looking at him different. That was back when I was 9. Joey packed a 9. Like a stand on every punch is fine. We adapt the crime. Like a van with 4 guns at a time. With the sliding door. Fuck is up. Fuck you shooting for. If you ain't walking up, you fucking punk. Picking up the fucking pump. Picking up, you sucker, dick or die, you sucker bunch of water bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what mama said when we was eating every lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in 94. Fuck your truce. Now crawl your head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no peace treaty, just peace and peace.
Nobody? Me. Okay, so obviously I have to carve out the brows. The only thing I put on my eyebrows was clear brow gel. One thing that I will say, I guess this is like a little tip. I guess for this is depending how you like your eyebrows or whatever the case is. Me, I don't really like my eyebrows to be too much, like whether I'm doing a dramatic look or not. I can obviously do a dramatic look and not filling my brows. It's really about like what takes the less time, whatever the case was. So since my actual eyebrows themselves are done, like I arched them myself and all of that, it just makes it so much better when you're just using the clear brow gel to make sure your hairs don't move and you just carve out the bottom. Like nobody will fucking know. Nobody's gonna know. Who's gonna know? brown skin biddies, listen up. So I guess this little tip, when we're doing this editorial cheek color, because I'm not calling it blush, I told y'all that, put like a light concealer or a light foundation in order to emphasize the color, you know, obviously, just in case it won't show up as pigmented on us. To go over the rest of the colors that I used on the cheeks, I am using Puppy Love and Hunter. I did Hunter, it's an orange, but I think it just paired really well with the Diamond Glow powder from Artist Couture that I used in the shade Supernova. Yes, I brought back the oldie but goodie. Under my eyes on my waterline, I just took a white pencil and then I put on top Elephant John again. And just everything else is pretty much regular. What I put on my brow bone is Ballerina Bunnies in the palette as well. So yeah, first of all, shout out to Morphe and Lisa Frank for this being the only palette I used for this look. Shout out to every other product that I used that will be listed in the description below with their links. Otherwise, and then nothing else is really that new. I just love you guys. My lip is just a brown lip liner with some lip gloss. Y'all not missing nothing special. So be safe, peace out, enjoy life. I don't know what else to say. Deuces.
Bullets coming from AKs, ARs, AR, duck. That's what mama said when we was eating every lunch. Oh man, goddamn, all hell broke loose. You killed my cousin back in 94. Fuck your truce. Now curl your head in that noose. You wind up dead on the news. Ain't no peace treaty, just peace and BG's up to pre-approved. Bodies on top of bodies. Ivy's on top of Ivy's. Obviously the coroner between the sheets like the Osleys. When you hop on that trolley, make sure your color's correct. Make sure you're corporate or they'll be calling your mother collect. They say the governor collect all of our taxes except when we in traffic and tragic happens. That shit ain't no threat. You moving backwards if you suggest that you sleep with a tech. Go buy your chopper and have a doctor on speed down, I guess. Man City.
Tell me down in the comments below. The fuck. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. This is very new, very different. Y'all know that I don't do shit next or close to blush, but we're not looking at this as a blush look. This is not blush. This is editorial color, okay? Mind your business. But look, if you're a fan of the look, all you have to do for real is like, comment, and subscribe. That would be like, for real, to me, I feel like that's the least you could do. Like, I know I've been giving you all like the options to things like that, but now let's see if the energy shifts and I tell y'all to just do that, because you know, like a look like this, it's like I need y'all to do what y'all need to do. I did my part, so what are you gonna do? Think about it. So just click the buttons. Like, I really enjoyed making this look. I'm very thankful every time, but I'm very thankful that the Lord blessed me with this vision, because it came out better than expected, because I added things like I didn't want to. I had no idea what I was doing under the eyes, but I'm very glad that I kept it pink. Thank you so much for watching. I don't think that there's anything else to say besides the fact that I'm very glad to be back. And also, while you're doing that, like and comment on my last video. I'd really like and appreciate that as well. I will be back very soon. I will not take as long as a break as I did this past month. I feel like it's been like a month since I uploaded a video. Either way, there's really nothing else for me to say. I'm on TikTok now. Follow me on TikTok, and I have a new Instagram again. We're not gonna get into that, but my Instagram and my TikTok name are the same now, so just go ahead and follow those. Hopefully TikTok is the reason you're here. I have absolutely no idea. Hopefully it is, but I have no idea. And so yeah, I don't know. Y'all know that I cannot do this outro shit like